How to enable or disable the GX Corner. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can enable or disable the Opera GX Corner. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Opera GX. Once here, head towards the top left and click on this Opera GX icon. So once you get to this menu bar, here you have to click on Settings. Once you get into the settings page, what you have to do is here you have to search for Corner. So type in Corner. After that, you can see this GX Corner in sidebar. To enable it, you have to turn on this toggle. To disable it, you have to turn off this toggle. So in this way, you can enable or disable GX Corner in Opera GX. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.